Save $10,000 on any sports field. Are you looking for ways to reduce the high maintenance cost on your sports field? Maintenance costs continue to go up. Fertilizer has doubled this year, labor is higher, and water is limited in the West. But fertigation is a great affordable solution to reduce costs and improve quality. How is that done? It's simple. Install a fertigation system to the irrigation and it will inject liquid fertilizer in and make each drop of water sweet with fertilizer, and feed the plants and soil lightly every time you irrigate. It is like hydroponics for your sports field. Fertigation can reduce fertilizer and water use 50% and save any sports field thousands of dollars and improve quality. You have an automatic irrigation system, so when you add fertigation you have an automatic fertilizer system reducing labor and increasing efficiency and accuracy. Dry fertilizer is applied and stored in the soil, but over 50% is lost below the root zone not available to the plant. Fertigation is applied lightly with each irrigation, and over 95% is taken up by the roots and foliar, which means fertigation is twice as efficient than dry fertilizer and you save thousands of dollars. Fertigation is a great accessory for any irrigation system, reducing labor, improving water efficiency and feeding the plants. Turf Feeding Systems is a fertigation leader with 35 years of experience. We have thousands of systems on sports fields, stadiums and parks across the U.S. and around the world. Contact us today to discuss your project and the site. And get a quote today. I am Michael Czaplinski, founder and president. And I would enjoy talking to you about your project and site. Call me today at 832-321-3311. Call today or go to our website www.turffeeding.com. Thank you.